The scariest Roblox hacker ever. This Roblox hacker goes by many names, but is mostly known as Flowers or the Whistler. Sounds innocent, right? Well, you would be wrong, because this hacker was known for being so dangerous that it killed people. Multiple news and articles flooded back in 2010s. Some speculate that those who died to Flowers still haunt the games to this day. There is this one footage that showcases what Flowers truly is capable of, being able to distort and change the entire game. One of the victims being Helen Martinez, who is the most recent victim of Flowers. Some speculate those who ever met Flowers have not only got their account banned, but also died. There is multiple footages of Flowers taking over games, but I don't think I can even show them here. Flowers has been present since a long time, and some speculate that you should avoid Flowers at all costs. Do not try to interfere with Flowers, and if you hear a random whistle, leave.